Hi, I'm Sharon Bulova, Chairman of the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors. Our next board meeting on February 17th is a big day. County Executive Ed Long will present his fiscal year 2016 advertised budget to the board. This will be the first time the Board of Supervisors and the public has seen the budget. The next step in the budget process happens on March the 3rd, when the board will authorize an advertised tax rate. The county cannot adopt a tax rate higher than advertised, but can adopt a lower tax rate. The board will vote on the adopted tax rate the same day as the budget is adopted, April 28th. Next steps in the budget process include board members reaching out to the community through town hall meetings and community meetings for feedback regarding the proposed budget. On March the 14th, I will be hosting 2 community budget dialogues, one at 10 a.m. at the South County Government Center and one at 2:30 p.m. at the Fairfax County Government Center. The format will include audience participation through small group discussions and brainstorming activities. My dialogues are intended to be a deeper dive into the county budget, and I encourage all and any interested community members to attend. After town hall meetings and community dialogues, the board will hold 3 public hearings at the Government Center on April the 7th, the 8th, and the 9th. Then we mark up or make changes to the advertised budget on April 21st and vote on a final adopted budget on April 28th. Adopting the budget is the most important action our board takes every year. When we adopt the budget, we are investing in our community's priorities. I encourage everyone to get involved in this year's budget process. An engaged and informed constituency is a well-served constituency. Also on Tuesday, our board will receive a report on General Assembly activities. Our representatives in Richmond have been very busy over the past month, and many important changes could be coming, such as how the state funds road maintenance and construction. Our board meets weekly to discuss how Fairfax County's needs are being met at the state level. Finally, our board will designate March 2015 as Intellectual and Developmental Disabilities Inclusion Month in Fairfax County. It is critical that this population has access to the services they need, and I am proud of how our board funds supportive programs each year. Thank you again, and I hope to see you on Tuesday, and thank you so much for your interest in Fairfax County government.